Alright, welcome once again to this training on how to maximize your digital school software. And so today I'm going to be taking you through the result manager module. The result manager module, how you will be able to upload your result. You need to know that digital school software just helps you to make life very easy. All the teachers need to upload is the scores or are the scores. And then the digital school software can help you generate individual students' result or pupils' result, as the case may be, and also help you generate your transcript. There are so many things, including your broadsheets, your transcripts, and the rest of them. So let's just get into it. So on this dashboard, when you log in as a staff and you're a teacher, you want to enter the scores and results and then publish them. So you click on Result Manager. On the left hand side, you're also going to see it, Result Manager. So once you click on Result Manager, you choose the section that you want to upload your scores onto, whether basic, crèche, INT, secondary, KG, nursery, depending on the school you're running. So let's assume I want to manage the result for secondary. So the first thing I'll do is to click on secondary and then you see upload result. Okay, so under upload result, I'll click basically the current academic session 2022-2023. Let's say first term. Let's say I want to upload scores for GSS 2A. So I'll click on GSS 2A. All the subjects that they offer in GSS 2A will pop up. So Greek science, arithmetic, basic science, and the rest. So I'll start keying in the scores. If I'm the arithmetic teacher, I'll just click on arithmetic. Two options will show. I will see enter scores. I will not use upload scores. Upload scores is assuming I've typed the result in Microsoft Excel offline. Then I can upload the result. Let's say if I click on upload score now, it will pop up this dialog box for me to look for the Excel file. But in this case, I want to be able to type the result directly on the portal. So I will use enter scores. Okay. So the names of the pupils, for example, will show, will display. Their portal ID will display. And then I will see spaces, test 40, exam 60. So usually what we advise is that as soon as you've done your test, you can simply come and enter all the scores for the tests. Let's say 33, let's say 25. So this says maximum value for this field is 40, but if you want, I enter 250. So I'll say 25. So let's assume I've entered only tests. Or if they've also done the exams, I'll enter the exams 45. So let's say I've entered the exams for only one person, then I'll save. Okay. If I close, what you will notice in arithmetics is that the scores have been entered and it will be marked. Okay. So if, for example, I've entered only tests, and at the end of the day they've written exams and I want to come back to now enter exam scores, I will just basically click here. I'll click on edit. Okay, then I'll begin to complete the scores for exams. Okay, 56, then 40, then I'll save. So here I've discovered that everything about arithmetic has been entered. If I'm teaching English, I'll do same for English by clicking on English, enter scores. It will show the students details, then I'll begin to enter scores. So if all the scores in this particular GSS 2A have been entered, other things I could do is also print this score sheet. I could print the score sheet. By clicking on print. Okay. If I print it, it will be printed. If I have my printer, like some schools, they demand that the teachers will submit their score sheet every time. So the teachers don't need to even write it with their hands anymore. They can just basically click on print score sheet. They can edit the scores if they discover that there is any mistake in any particular child's scores. They can actually edit it. Let's say instead of 40, I can have 44 here. All I need to do is to just save. Okay, then I close. Okay, so that's that. Then I can also delete the entire scores if I discover that, oh, instead of entering the scores into let's say basic science, I mistakenly entered it into arithmetic. So in that case, I have to delete the entire result. Are you getting the point? By clicking on delete, it's deleted entirely. Okay, so let's assume I've entered all the scores here and they've been marked like this, meaning that I've entered all the scores. Okay, so the next thing I need to do if I want to generate the result is I will also come back to the results manager here. I will see upload social behavior. Okay, now the social behavior are also usually referred to as the psychomotor domain. Like you have punctuality, self-confidence, self-control, assignment, initiative, sociability, neatness, industrious or industry, then honesty. So here you have from 1 to 5 that you should enter. So 5 is the highest score. So 5 means excellent, 4 means very good, 3 means good, 2 means fair, 1 means poor. So if this child's punctuality is excellent, you just put 5. If this child's self-confidence is not the highest, you could put 4, means very good. When this thing show on the result, this punctuality will read excellent. You will see excellent, you will not see 5. Okay, and so on and so forth. You do it for all the children. Okay, all the pupils in the class. Mabo Valentine, Obi Marcel, you complete it and then you save. Once you save it, it has entered the result. Okay, so you remember you must have entered your scores, entered your broadsheet. The next thing is to tell the computer or the software to help you publish the result, automate the result. You come to publish. Okay, you click on publish, you select the class you want to publish. Now remember, if you have 2 arms in any particular class, let's assume you have GSS 1A and GSS 1B. Okay, you must make sure that all the subject teachers have entered their scores in GSS 1A, and also all the subject teachers have entered their scores in GSS 1B, so that when you are publishing, you publish GS1. When you click on GS1, this GS1 will publish the entire scores. It will compute their total, their position, their averages, and the rest of them. So we make sure that all the subjects have been entered, both for GSS 1A and GSS 1B. But if you have only one arm, just make sure that all the subjects have been published, so that you now have been entered. Okay, the scores in each subject. You now select the class, then the term, let's say first term, then select the academic session, and then you click on publish. The moment you click on publish, within 30 seconds, the entire result is generated. I can tell you that for free. The entire result is generated. Okay, so if we want to look at the result that we've just generated, okay, you also see on publish. I'll explain this immediately. Okay, on publish is, if by adventure, let's come to the result. Let's say view broadsheet. Okay, view broadsheet. View broadsheet. So let's choose a past result for this school. Let's say 2020-2021. Let's say GSS 1 first term, GSS 1A. Okay, then continue. Okay, it will show me Dynamite Heroes Academy. Okay, broadsheet for GSS 1A first term 2020/2021 academic session. Okay, so this is a sample. It will show me this broadsheet, everything about the broadsheet of every student, to show me subject by subject performance. It will show me their position, then it will show me comments. Look at comments. The class teacher can begin to write comments for each child here. By clicking on the comment section, the principal can also write comments. Okay, if the principal doesn't write comments, the system automatically generates comments for the principal based on the performance of the children or of the students in the class. Okay, then here, this is the class teacher. The class teacher should provide a comment. If the class teacher doesn't provide a comment, under the comment section it will be empty. Then SMS, this result can be automatically sent via SMS to the parents of this particular child. Aruya Wonderful or Guaswa, that's the name. 1385, that's the name of this child, okay? Then email, if the email of the parents were registered, you also see the email, okay? So this is the broadsheet. This is the broadsheet, okay? So you can see subject average. You want to view the subject average, graphical illustration of the subject averages, okay? Download broadsheet. You can download this broadsheet, and the broadsheet will be downloaded for you in a PDF document. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. You can download this broadsheet. Look at it here. You download the broadsheet. For schools that want teachers to submit the broadsheet, you can download it. That's beautiful, okay? So it will open in another tab. You come back to the software. You can print this broadsheet directly. If you have a printer connected, you can print it. You can send bulk result. You can preview. I mean, this is wonderful. You can do so many things to this broadsheet, as you can see here. Okay, now also you are also free to view the individual student's result that has been generated by just clicking on the portal ID of any of the children. Any of the students' portal ID you click. Let me click on this. To generate the termly results. Look at your termly results. It will generate the termly result for the children. Look at it, very beautiful, Aruya wonderful, and you see how it works, okay? The number in class, class average, student average, percentage, position, maximum mark obtainable, everything. There's subject by subject performance. If there was a remark by the class teacher, you see the remark here. You can see the principal's remark, very good result, keep it up, is automatically generated by the system. Then compose next term fees. If you are using the digital school accounting package, you see the next term fees, compulsory fees, and then optional fees here. You see the school's account details and then the signature that you uploaded on the portal. So this is how to generate a result. You also notice that there is a position here. Some schools don't like to have position displayed on the result. All you need to do is to come back to the result. Under the results manager, under result manager, for that secondary section, you will see position setting, okay? So we want to disable position for the secondary, so we'll select, let's say, all JSS or all. If all your school you don't want position, you click on all, then you say no. If you save, okay, the position is now disabled, so no position will show. So under this place you will not be able to see position, okay? Same thing happens for all the result features. Let's say total, grade, subject average, subject position, remark. You are the one that will determine what shows. So you go to result features, okay? Result features. You select class. If it is only GS1 or only GS2 or for all, then let's say first, second, or third term, okay? Then which of the features do you not want to display? Let's say I don't want class subject position to show in the student's result, okay? Then you can say show or hide. If you say hide, then you select save. So on that save, if you save it, I'm not going to save it, but if you save, in this place subject position will no longer be displayed, okay? So that is what you have. Then we also have transcripts. Transcript is if a child has passed through your school from primary 1 to primary 6 or from GSS 1 to SS3. So you can just enter the child's portal ID, select the class, the system will generate the entire result for that class when he was in GS1. You do same for GS2. So by so doing, you'll be able to generate transcripts for that child. Even if that child has left your school, you'll be able to generate transcript. So this is basically how to generate your results. It's very easy. First things first is to go to upload results, enter scores by clicking your subject, then click on enter scores. The subject, you enter the scores. Then the next thing is to upload the social behavior by entering 1 to, let's say, GSS 2A, by entering from 1 to 5. 1 is the lowest, okay? So that's what you're going to have. Then you close it. You can also enter your class teacher's comment here by clicking on class teacher's comment, okay? As soon as you click on it, or on this same broadsheet, you enter the comments. Let's say GS2. The internet is a little bit slow, so you can come here, type the comment for every child. If you type a comment, let's say Akilabi is a very attentive child. Keep it up. Okay, so you say you click on this button. This button will save it. Then when you are done for all these pupils or students, you now click on submit. So this comment will enter into their result if you save it. Okay, so that's what we have here. It will enter into the result of the child. So these are the things you do. Enter scores, enter social behavior, then publish your results. So if there was a mistake, let's assume that, oh, this child is supposed to score 20 here and you enter 30 by mistake, okay? So what you need to do first, because we have already published this result, you go back to publish result. In that class, you come to unpublish. Unpublish means let the system reverse everything it has published for you to now be able to go back to the subject and make changes. You now go back to upload result, select that subject, select the subject, then make changes in the scores. Okay, after making changes in the scores, you now go back to publish and republish it again. So that is the easiest way of getting these things done. I hope you get the point. So result manager is very simple. You can also print results directly on your printer if you are the school that likes to print results for your teachers, for your parents, as the case may be. So thank you very much. Go through it again and again and get used to the process of uploading results. Okay, thank you very much. Remember to refer the digital school software to other schools and pupils and students that will need to use the digital school software. God bless you.